Hey everyone, Tomo here. This footage is from North Dartmouth during the summer fun when I was visiting Massachusetts. This footage you see now is not current, because this was recorded on my video camera. So hopefully you enjoyed the video.
Feels like it's so long since we've been together. So come on out, it's such a perfect day. Hey,
feels like I've been cooped up inside forever. I just can't wait to get outside and play.
And ooh, it's so good to feel the sun is shining down on the ground. And ooh, it's so good to see all my friends are coming round. I'm so excited now. So turn up the radio and play my favorite song. I don't need any other, 'cause it's my song of summer. So let's dance to the stereo and we can sing along. I don't want any other, so sing the song of summer with me. Hey! Sing the song of summer with me. Song of summer with me.
Feels like a picnic's ready, I am guessing. It smells delicious, can't wait to fill my plate.
Feels like a snow cone would be so refreshing. My favorite flavor, carrot would be great.
And ooh, it's so good to be outside playing games on a sunny day. And ooh, it's so good, just relaxing and catching rays. This summer's making waves. So turn up the radio and play my favorite song. I don't need any other, 'cause it's my song of summer. So let's dance to the stereo and we can sing along. I don't want any other, so sing the song of summer with me. Hey! Sing the song of summer with me. Song of summer with
now
me.
we're just so felices that summer's here. I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do.
What's that?
We're gonna celebrate, and I just can't wait to celebrate all verano with you.
Uh-huh.
We're just getting started and
We're not stopping.
Like a conejo, this
Party is hopping.
with Chuck E. Cheese and Bella B. Come and sing a song of summer with me.
And ooh, it's so good dancing out among the fireflies. Can't believe my eyes. And ooh, it's so good celebrating on a summer night and lighten up the sky. So turn up the radio and play my favorite song. I don't need any other, 'cause it's my song of summer. So let's dance to the stereo and we can sing along. I don't want any other, so sing the song of summer. And just turn up the radio and play my favorite song. I don't need any other, 'cause it's my song of summer. So let's dance to the stereo and we can sing along. I don't want any other, so sing the song of summer with me. Hey! Sing the song of summer with me. Hey! Sing the song of growing up at home. Some of the best times that I've ever known. Playing with sticks and skipping stones. What could be better? And I remember those summer nights, sleeping out underneath the stars so bright. I wish I might stay here forever. And then I'd pack a lunch and grab a pole, and we'd head on down to the fishing hole, without a care and filled with wonder. It was the dog days of summer, hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It was the dog days of summer. Long tall glass of lemonade, sitting out back on the porch in the shade. I bet I could have sat there for days. What could be better? Blue skies and you and me, swinging from the tire on the sycamore tree. No other place I would rather be, but it can't last forever. And then I pack a lunch and grab a pole, and we head on down to the fishing hole, without a care and filled with wonder. It was the dog days of summer, hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It was the dog days of summer. Have these memories, but I'm just so happy spending days like these with good friends and family. What could be better? And so I'll pack a lunch and grab a pole, and let's head on down to the fishing hole, without a care and filled with wonder. 'Cause it's the dog days of summer, hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days will never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It's the dog days of summer. It's the dog days of summer. It's the dog days of summer. These are all my friends, we'll be together till the end. Talented, unique, collectively stronger. Do you comprehend? You've never seen a crew as great as me and you. Squad goals, yeah, that sums it up. Haha, you know it's true. Oh, we're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese, Helen, Bella, and Jasper T. Rockin' in the band of make-believe with a munch and Pasquale. Calling out from you to me, listen up, I'm gonna spill the tea. Sing with us in perfect harmony. Now come on and join the party.
Helen Henny is my name. I'm always singing or playing a game. Ready to compete, I can hang with the best. No chick is quite the same.
I'm Mr. Munch, how are you today? Upon my cosmic keyboard I play. From another planet, so I'm always learning. And I'm also a DJ.
Oh, we're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese, Helen, Bella, and Jasper T. Rockin' in the band of make-believe with a munch and Pasquale. Calling out from you to me, come along and we think you'll agree. Follow Chuck E. and you're sure to see. Now come on and join the party.
I'm Jasper T playing bass guitar, a
but still a superstar. Man's best friend, or in my case, a mouse. Love taking walks, even if they're far.
I'm the drummer in this band. My mustache is the best in the land. Pasquale's my name, let me tell you a joke. What did the left hand say to the right hand?
We're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese.
You know,
Bella and Jasper
he said,
rocking in the band of make-believe.
how does it feel
And Pasquale.
to always be right?
Calling out from you to me. Good times,
Spanish,
we guarantee.
the right hand is always right.
Hola, me llamo Bella. I'll sing even a cappella. I love to dance and tend my garden. Now here's Chucky, he's a real cool fella.
Chuck E. Cheese here, and that starts with a C. The coolest rockin' mouse you'll ever see. Making sure you're having fun is my goal. No other mouse is quite like me.
We're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese. Ellen, Bella, and Jasper T. Rocking in the band of make-believe with the mice and Pasquale. Calling out from you to me. Getting together now, that's the key. Just three letters at CBC. Now come on and join the party.
Put your hands together now. Sing along. Join the party. Well, school is at it now, the summer's here, making it the perfect time of year for making brand new friends. And that is just what I intend when I noticed you were standing there. And I was wondering if you might care to be brand new friends with me, because I'm sure that you won't disagree that friends are fun, friends are forever, friends are best when you're together. Friends stick by you through thick and thin, and you seem really cool, so let's be friends. I'm so excited to be friends with you. Just think of all the things that we could do, like playing tic-tac-toe, or maybe go out to a show. We could ride our bikes a long, long way, or just chill inside and game all day. Or we can climb the tallest tree. It doesn't matter long as you're with me. 'Cause friends are fun, friends are forever, friends are best when you're together. Friends stick by you through thick and thin, and you seem really cool, so let's be friends. I know that we'll be hanging all the time, and that you'll be friends with friends of mine, and they'll be friends with all your friends. The friendship circle never ends. 'Cause friends are fun, friends are forever, friends are best when you're together. Friends stick by you through thick and thin, and you seem really cool, so let's be friends. I think you're really awesome, so let's be friends. Ground control to all my friends. It must be summertime again. It's been so long since I felt this good. We're gonna blast off from my neighborhood. Gonna fly real fast through outer space. Finally touch down at Chuck E's place. So sing with me, every boy and girl. It's a Chuck E. Cheese summer and it's out of this world. Say, oh, out of this world, out of this world. Say, oh, hanging with you is out of this world. Say, oh, Now school's out and the music's on. Feeling so good, now my worries are gone. Our destination is just past Mars. Planet Chuck E. Cheese just beyond the stars. Never been there, you should give it a whirl. It's a Chuck E. Cheese summer and it's out of this world. Say, oh, out of this world, out of this world. Say, oh, hanging with you is out of this world. Say, oh, out of this world, out of this world. Say, oh, Chuck E. Cheese summer is out of this world.
Starlight, star bright, the coolest star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, to have this wish I wish tonight. I wish to play with all my friends. I wish this summer would never end. I wish this wish, thank you and please, to spend my summer with Chuck E. Cheese.